that I wish I could feature it on a front of cover. Lakme Academy students have done a great job here. All the backstage events and competitions have helped them gear up with all the required skills they need to rock their career as professional hairstylists. If hairstyling has always been on your mind, enroll in the excellent hair courses by Lakme Academy powered by Aptech. Right now, use my code MEGHA20 to get 20% off exclusively just for you. This is the time to shine just like my beautiful hair.